In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a stop limit order on Robinhood using your PC. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process so you can trade stocks or ETFs with more control and confidence. Let's start by opening up Robinhood on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and then navigate to the stock or ETF you'd like to trade. You can do this by using the search bar at the top of the homepage or browsing through your current portfolio. Once you've found the specific stock or ETF you want to trade, click on its name to open up its detailed page, where you can see the latest price information, charts, and other relevant details. Next, look for the Trade button. Once you click on Trade, you'll be presented with options to either buy or sell. Select the option that matches your intention, whether you're looking to buy shares or sell ones you already own. Now, you'll see the order type menu. By default, you may see market or limit orders, but for a stop limit order, click on the order type drop-down and choose stop limit from the list. This will allow you to set both a stop price and a limit price, which gives you more control over how your order gets filled. For the next part, you'll first enter your stop price. This is the price that triggers your order to be submitted to the market. Right below, you'll enter your limit price, which is the minimum price you're willing to accept if you're selling, or the maximum you're willing to pay if you're buying. It's important to choose these numbers carefully. The stop price should be a price at which you're comfortable initiating the trade, and the limit price determines the boundary you don't want to cross. This is a great way to protect yourself from sudden price swings or to set predefined exit or entry points. After you've set your prices, enter the number of shares you want to trade. Make sure it matches how much you actually want to buy or sell, as this is what will be submitted when the order is triggered. You'll also see options for how long you want your order to stay active. Good for day means your stop limit order will only remain active for the current trading session. If the conditions aren't met by the close of the market, the order expires. Alternatively, you can select good till cancelled. This keeps your order active until it's either filled or you manually cancel it, often up to 90 days depending on Robinhood's policies. Once you've set all your preferences, double check everything to ensure your prices, share quantity and time frame are correct. When ready, click Review to see a summary of your order. Take a moment to make sure all the details are accurate, because once you're satisfied, simply click Submit. Your stop limit order is now placed, and Robinhood will handle the rest based on the criteria you've set. And that's it. By following these steps, you can enjoy greater control over your trades and manage your investments with more precision. Thanks for watching and happy trading.